Hello, everyone. This is Teacher Momo and Marilyn. What a start to the new year. I overslept. I was 10 minutes late to class, but I finished the trial lesson with GoGo Kid, and I think my student had an enjoyable time. So, fingers crossed that he will enroll with GoGo Kid. 2018 was a really successful year for me. I feel like I have become a stronger online teacher. I also met my teaching goal of being a teacher trainer, doing more activities towards building um, my career in teacher as a teacher trainer. So thank you all for following me and also watching my videos and giving me feedback. So the goal for 2019 is just to do more teacher training activities and maybe return to presenting at TESOL conferences. I haven't done that in many years. And also maybe trying to take on more roles with GoGo Kids, AABC, Native, other platforms who are looking for teachers, trainers, or coaches. Happy New Year!